Okay, let us say Yeshim Yakuta quick update concerning Cratchy Yenya Nana Pola Free Mono and a court etna say Natana Mutana Siano Yan correspondent out doko PM of course Asante Kotoko lawyer or no so not with Jim Pampe said the Niama who draw a transpire of course it told ya LBI a friend is said Sunyai court no if I saw Emunchi Munyani someone 10 times live on GH Live Studio in the way the premises of the court before Naniema Ebabesha Siena Piatimia Koso and I will say Echa Eddie Gono. Yes, this is the premises of the court. Ebra Papaya Okuya ama person na lawyer Eddie Emma Rabafua, that is Ignatius Openia and the honors bon as an honor in Swatreman FC Nidia and Amam Fowl do it to one any other didn't Sana is it here now. Right inside and come a boy to me Kosonia the idea say and then Judge or Gem Eshaman Sam is quite high and say bra your bono poke crow. Now yet in sending out to Ja Honor Yan correspondent Commander Kwame Ata our honor live and color they see but I'm sana because no and over next episode yan for went to him na 18 year MIM pa. Kotoko lawyer, Osai communication director, Edema Club, no, Safuduku Square, Wano Ekoko PMUB, Edema, sell lawyer, opinion friend and say, I don't go Ekotoko security and they on a case, no, or no so file be the tia woman, or Kodima and Fins or Sakoko Shemu, Edema Kotoko, interesting party, and I say, why a party or a concern, Ewa Semnimo, Omuya Yanom, Krobia Mapoma Metama Sante Kotoko, GH Live Studios. Yari opanyino edin komo right after from court wono then somebody to your name say see ye ewa senibia honeno yenko na yenko nkotie ni nyina exclusively ewo dwumadi yiso.
Now the lawyer has filed a motion of notice and the court found out that the Attorney General's office and the prosecutor in this case have all been set. Unfortunately, there was no response from neither the office of the Attorney General nor the police prosecutor. Even though there was evidence to the fact that
Entiora Safuduku Kotoko lawyer or church and seminary wa Entia Suneti ye see ye ewo court ho ne yama bi bail ebi nso say ne sitie opanya owo sekani aboni din say your friend Brimah na owo na Brimah no dey na posifo ye dey aso mu Safuduku chirechire mu
the three accused persons. Now the lawyer has filed a motion of notice and the court found out that the Attorney General's office and the prosecutor in this case have all been set. Unfortunately, there was no response from neither the office of the Attorney General nor the police prosecutor. Even though there was evidence to the fact that the process had duly been served on them. I was surprised that the AG's office did not oppose to the motion or common sense did not challenge the three accused persons. Now the lawyer has filed a motion of notice and the court found out that the Attorney General's office and the prosecutor in this case have all been served. Unfortunately, there was no response from neither the office of the Attorney General nor the police prosecutor. Even though there was evidence to the fact that the process had duly been served on them. I was surprised that the AG's office did not oppose to the motion or common sense did not challenge the lawyer's application for bail. Now, in the lawyer's application, he attached a copy of the second case, the charge sheet of the second case. Now, with the second case, 6 persons have been charged. Now, when the matter was first called, only 4 of them appeared in court. 2 of them were at large. But today, the 6 accused persons appeared in court. According to his lawyer, he went to the regional police headquarters on Thursday. He, the lawyer, willingly sent him to the regional police headquarters. And then today, too, he has come to the court willingly. Now, it means that one person is still at large. He's called Brimah, which the police per their facts state that he actually stabbed the deceased person to death. In fact, according to the police, I'm talking from their facts, which is now a public document. All the accused persons have admitted to the fact that it was that guy for Brimah who is now at large did stab Pooley to death. Now, so the lawyer attached a copy of the second case to his application for the bail, indicating that in the second case, the police have now indicated in their facts that it is the Brimah who actually stabbed the deceased person. So now the law is saying that if now the police have found the one who actually stabbed the accused person to death, then it means that it was not the police bodyguard to the former honorable minister who did the killing. Therefore, there is every ground that for him that the court should grant the accused person bail. And then his second point was that because the Attorney General's office has not filed any affidavit in opposition, it means that in principle they also agree to his bail application. So the court exercises discretion in favor of A2 in the first case, that is the police Justita Via. Now let's come to the second case, which has 6 persons as accused person, with the 5th accused person, Brimah, also known as Brimah Rasta, at large. That is, he has run away. Now we realize that when the matter first came to court, the second and first accused persons were denied bail, but the third and fourth accused person, being the ladies, were granted bail. Now today, their lawyers repeated their application for bail, including the 6 accused persons. Unfortunately for them, the court refused the grant of bail for the 3 persons, that is A1, A2, and A6, in respect of the second case. Now all the accused persons have been refused bail. The court has directed that their lawyers will come formally, that is, file an application for bail, and serve a copy of the application to the Attorney General's office 5 days, 5 clear days before the next court date, that is the 3rd of March. So in respect of the second case, because there are some accused persons who are still in custody, the law says that we cannot go beyond 2 weeks. So we fixed that for the 3rd of March. Now, in respect of the first case, that is which has the 3 accused persons, we took 3 weeks or so. So the matter has been adjourned to the 10th of March, because all the 3 accused persons are now on bail. Now, let me also state that the court has reviewed his orders, the orders he made in respect of the first case. You realize that Honorable Bafowa and the other person who were granted bail were made to report themselves to the Ghana Police Service on daily basis. Now the court has reviewed it to once in every week. Then the order, which also stated that they couldn't go outside Sunyani without the permission of the court, has also been reviewed. Now they can go outside Sunyani without the court's permission. However, the other order, which compelled them to deposit their passports at the registry of the court, is still in force. And then don't also forget that the second accused person who was granted bail today has also been asked to deposit his passport at the registrar's office within 7 days, because he indicated that his passport is in Accra. Within 3 days, thank you. But he indicated that his passport is in Accra. So basically, that is what transpired. Finally, his bail condition was that he should have 2 persons to stand as surety for him, the sum of 300,000 without any justification. Without any justification means that the sureties must not show any evidence of the 300,000, either a document or whatever. Because according to the judge, the facts indicate that the police officer is still in the Ghana Police Service, so he has admitted them to the house of the Ghana Police Service to produce them whenever the court needs, so that he can come and stand for trial. So basically, that is what transpired in court today. Well, the court has some discretionary powers in the grant of bail. So no matter what the law says, the court has the power to grant bail. What I was not happy was the fact that the Attorney General's office failed to oppose to the bail application filed by a lawyer for the police inspector. I think that they should have opposed the motion.
Okay. Ora Safuduku Esquire and a communication director Edema Sante Kotokobo Boku no and our dinchichi mu see court ne to nim now hobby na ni nyina mo no watch mu amaye hu sampa de kokko see na akwakoto edwa kama ewo mu no in as much as fa baabi o so ye quite disappointed kakra no fa baabi nso de ya no obeyo emra no ese na emra no nso na wodi akira eno nso de tuja ama enetiefo ewo munti. So far this is what transpired ewo bia your friend says nyan court a etna nana Pooley wona edi ni nya no eso na enipa nsia hodo se de opanyi chechire mu no yehu ena ebinum nso a enei yamo mo bill nom ne ade ni nyina we de ono abo ne tofa kufa show ede maaye na esenka enei attorney general office ena bill num bi wo ho a opposu na eso ni nyina mu no wo mo opposu nti sa akoyo ano no ama yamo mo bill on be ba be report a week basis and sana court time aso na no achi kran so no omo to aso ma ehu se nipa wo sekan na nkasa ne din de Brimah enti Brimah bi a obi a no onyankropon na nanom wo wati konsunsum sumsum emfa mra na bra be fisi wo mra nam se wadi abusua binya na yehu se de besi akonti a certain Brimah and also nipa o machi wo mu nyina confirm so no na wo sekan no ema yenua Pooley free mu e wa tiase for assassins. So this is what happened.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?